Tired of your point balance in Novelah looking sad? I'm about to pump some serious points into that account. First, the easiest points you'll ever earn, the daily check-in. Simply tap this button every single day you open the app. Consistent check-ins often lead to bonus points and streak rewards. Reading is not just good for your brain, it's good for your point balance too. Spend time reading chapters of your favorite novels. The longer you read, the more points you rack up. Don't ignore the task center. Novelah regularly offers easy tasks like following authors, liking stories, or sharing content that reward you with points. Keep an eye out for new tasks added regularly. And finally, my personal favorite, invite your friends. Share your referral code with your buddies. And when they sign up and start reading, you both get a points boost. It's a win-win. So there you have it, daily check-ins, consistent reading, tackling those tasks, and inviting your friends are your golden tickets to accumulating points in Novelah. Now get out there and start earning.